اشرف غنی کابل ته د راتګ په اړه وروستۍ پریکړه وکړه. جزئیات همدلته وګورئ او چینل هم سبسکرایب کړئ. د پی بی اس تلویزیوني شبکې سره ښاغلي غني په خپله تازه مرکه کې وویل د طالبانو تر حاکمیت لاندې افغانستان ته هیڅکله نه ستنېږم. وایي هله به وطن ته ځم چې هر افغان د خپلواکۍ او یووالي احساس وکړي. هغه همدا راز ویلي د طالبانو روانې کړنې دې ته زمینه برابروي چې افغانان یې پر وړاندې مقاومت پیل کړي.
Responsibility is shared, and where I take responsibility for is to have trusted our key partner that signed a withdrawal agreement, and for 1 full year its forces were not attacked by the Taliban, but our forces paid the highest price. One has to take responsibility for trusting a partner that then trampled our sovereignty.
You're describing the 2019 Doha agreement signed by the Trump administration.
The assumptions regarding Taliban were highly flawed. They were based on wishful thinking. 2, its preparation and its implementation will go down in the history as one of the worst agreements ever concluded because it violated all. And then there were false assurances to us. We were assured that a ceasefire would take place and political negotiations regarding the future government will be an indispensable part of the agreement, which they were not.